Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. And for today's video, I would like to show you the unboxing of my new laptop. It's Amd Ryzen 7, 16GB RAM and 1TB memory. See you guys. Hi guys, if you're looking for a laptop for your office, even games or AutoCAD, if you want a very affordable laptop, I will recommend to you this HP AMD Ryzen 7. This has a specification of 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, NVMe M.2 Gen 4 SSD, and Radeon graphics 512 MB, 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with anti-glare. AMD Ryzen 7 8-core CPU, 16 threads, 16 MB cache, up to 4.50 GHz maximum boost clock. And we have also the Wi-Fi 6, HDMI, and 2 USB. And we have also Type-C Bluetooth for your headset or etc. Privacy webcam, camera with dual mic, backlight, keyboard, slim design, lightweight, fingerprint sensor. And we have also Copilot, Wi-Fi 6, HP NB15-FC0059 in E, Windows 11 with 1-year warranty, and also the price is affordable in the market. Buy now, get one for you. And this is a big help for your business, games, works, AutoCAD, even in your private sector job. Thank you and more power to all of you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something on how to buy your laptop, and this is the model that I will recommend to you. Thank you.